Hi guys. You know I'm not going to be here today. Remember we talked about yesterday how today was going to go. I just wanted to give you a quick reminder. So remember we're having a card game day today. You should have come in already. Sit down, find your number on the board. Remember that you're going to be moving around today and talking to different people. So I just need your attention for a little bit here so that I can remind you of some of the rules. So everybody's going to get a cup of chips after you're done here. Everybody will go grab one of those. If you are somebody who's sitting in a sticky note desk, you know who I'm talking about. Those people will get a deck of cards. So not everyone will have a deck of cards. I only have 24 decks. So if you're sitting in a sticky note desk, you will also pick up a deck of cards. Then you're going to play your partner. These are some of the options we came up with yesterday. Speed, war, garbage, slapjack. Basically, if you and your partner can agree to something. I had a couple games thrown out there yesterday, and even some of these games you might not know how to play. Maybe your partner could teach you a quick game, or, everybody kind of knows how to play slapjack. The name tells the story. But if you and your partner agree on some other game, as long as it's a short game, we're not looking for a 30-minute card game here, something that's 5 to 7 minutes, you guys can play it. That's totally fine. The game rules are you both have to agree to the game. The game shouldn't be short. The guest teacher might come around and, if they notice that you've been playing the same person for a while, might ask you to wrap up your game or even just say, okay, game's over. Whoever is in the lead wins the chip. And I'm just expecting that you agree to that and say, okay, our game's over. It's time to move on. If you're playing a really short game, like Speed sometimes can be really short, you could play a best of. So you could say, let's play 3 games, and whoever wins the best of 3 wins the chip. You can only play the same person once. So once you play your partner, then you shouldn't be playing that person again for the rest of the hour. I did suggest for some of my smaller classes, if you kind of make it through everybody, the sticky note people would not have had a chance to play sticky note people, and non-sticky note people wouldn't have had a chance to play non-sticky note people. So you guys can mix it up a little bit and play other people you haven't played yet if you run out of people to play. When you're done, the people who don't have the sticky note are going to stand up and find a new partner. So they might be waiting for a little bit. They might have to wait till a desk opens up. Sometimes sticky note people, you might be sitting there for a little bit without a person across from you. That's fine. You can just kind of wait it out. The loser of the game needs to give one of their chips to the winner. Keep your chips in your cup, please. Chips can be taken away from you at any time if the guest teacher finds it necessary. Include everybody, please. Don't let somebody sit there waiting for a partner to come sit by them. Don't just wait to play against your friends. Include everybody. Play games with everybody today. Keep your chips in your cup again. Be respectful. We're going to stop about 5 minutes early to get cleaned up. I've got 4 or 5 people from every class that volunteered to help yesterday. Thank you guys again. I wrote your names on the whiteboard, but they're going to try to make sure that every cup has 6 chips in it again. Everybody can help put the cards back in their cases. There should be 12 red cases, 12 blue cases. And again, thank you to my helpers. You're going to record your chip total on Google Classroom. And that's how I'll know how many you ended up with and how many orange tickets I owe you. Remember that these are going for orange tickets because our orange ticket competition is next week. And if you are the leader in your class with total chips, then there'll be an extra prize for you. So overall today, remember just the goal is that you're having a little bit of fun, you're not doing homework, you're not being assigned homework, but you're being respectful and you're doing all these things respectfully and appropriately. So I'm just going to thank you ahead of time for that. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I will see you on Monday.